In order to turn a quote into a work order, you would click the Create Order button right here, which would take you to the work order screen that looks like this. Once the work order is created, labor needs to be scheduled and the materials need to be purchased, which can be done right here in the product section by clicking on the little plus sign right here. If you actually click into the product, which we're going to click into the KeySwitch product, it would take you to the work order product screen right here, where you can see more details about the material. Here you can see the work order that's associated with the product name and the quantity that's required. You can also see whether the product price will be set or it will be a markup of the unit price. In this example, the KeySwitch will have a set price, which will determine the markup percent right here automatically. If you scroll down, you can see the purchase order information. Although the PO is created in FieldBoss, it will be sent over to accounting. If you scroll back into the work order, you can scroll down all the way and see the service activities that are associated with the work order. You can schedule service activities through the work order by hitting the plus sign. This is a service activity that we've already scheduled, and the resource that was assigned to replace the KeySwitch is Adam Williams. If you were to click into this service activity, it would take you to a screen that looks like this. This is the screen where you can see more details of the scheduled service activity and what actually happened during the repair. This gets updated as the mechanic updates the service activity through his mobile device. The actual start time, if you scroll down and see scheduling information right here, is when Adam started his travel to the site. This can be configured however you'd like, but most clients use the actual start time if they want to pay or account for mechanic's travel time. The arrival time is when Adam logged that he arrived on site. The actual end time is when he finished the job. This data right here overrides whatever time was planned, seen right here, for the service activity, because the data is going to update the service calendar and needs to be accurate and not the time that was scheduled for the job to take. This data populates the duration of the job, which right here you can see as clocking in at 3.12 hours. If you scroll down, you can see more details. And in his mobile app, Adam will also fill in these fields. So like the condition he found, he will log as elevator running on arrival. And the work he performed, he took the elevator out of service, replaced the KeySwitch, and tested the keys. Then he returned the elevator back to service. If he had recommended more work needed to be done, that would have gone in this field right here. Once Adam has marked the job complete right here, it gets sent to the office for review. And someone from the office will go into the work order and then review everything. And once that's done, they will create the invoice.